in Nitesh Estates, which has witnessed a strong quarter. The company's sales shot up 136%, with net sales coming in at 116 crore rupees. The net profit too witnessed a rise, coming in at over 6.5 crore rupees. Amita Balachandra is still with us with the details on those numbers. Amita, good numbers on the back of strong sales, wasn't it?
That's right. It's been a positive quarter for Nitesh Estates. If you take a look at the numbers there, its net profit is up about 6.69 crore rupees as against last quarter or the quarter last financial year. If you take a look at the numbers, last financial year has not been good for the company's profit. It reported a loss of about 5.09 crore rupees. Also, what's coming through from these results is that its sales is up 136%. So it's got about net sales, which is about 116.9 crore rupees this quarter, almost double of what it saw last quarter or the quarter last financial year. So clearly this festive season has worked wonders for Nitesh Estates, especially in its residential segment. What we're also hearing from the company is that most of this demand is coming from the luxury segment. However, mid-income segment has remained stable this quarter. Now, our editor Faye D'Souza also caught up with the COO of the company, Ashwini Kumar, and spoke to him about results. Take a look at that conversation.
Every company has a different situation, and as we were hearing on the Mr. Razak say that the percentage of completion method is not necessarily reflecting what is happening today in the marketplace, but it could be a combination of the various things. So as far as we are concerned, of course, our last quarter is in a positive in terms of revenue. It is almost double of what we did in the sequential quarter in the previous quarter, as well as the year before quarter. So for us it has been positive.
Okay, so I just want to understand, when you say sentiment has been low, and there is of course the investors, you're saying the investors have stepped out of the Bangalore market for the time being. Tell us, in comparison to last quarter, what your sales numbers have been in this quarter, and what are you going to announce tomorrow morning?
So, of course, compared to the last quarter, we have significantly enhanced the sales. It is almost about 2.5 times what we did in terms of area, or even in terms of value. These sales primarily, and it may be not representative of the whole market, these sales primarily have actually come from higher end projects. Projects which we are selling at 30,000 rupees a square feet, projects which we are selling at 12,000, 13,000 rupees a square feet. So those are the places where actually the volumes have come in. As far as the mid-income segment is concerned, it is still the momentum is it's not that the market has gone up. So the 2.5 times jump which has taken place is predominantly in really the higher segment and not in the mid-income segment. Mid-income segment remains at the same level.
What about your your profit after tax, or your PAT? Where are you seeing that number come in for this quarter?
So for the last quarter, it has been 6.5 crores. That's the PAT number before the minority interest adjustments.